How do you show what a character is feeling without having them say it out loud? In screenwriting, emotion should be seen and felt, not explained. Film is a visual medium, so instead of writing, "Sarah feels sad," you show what sadness looks like. The trick is to express emotion through behaviour, body language, and choices. So what the character does, avoids, or lingers on will tell us everything that we need to know. If they are angry, maybe they stay silent and tighten their jaw instead of yelling. If they are nervous, maybe they talk too much or laugh at the wrong moment. Use actions as the expressions and not explanations. Also, contrast can be a powerful thing. When a character says the usual "I'm fine" while holding back tears, then the audience feels the truth underneath it. That is subtext, emotion that is living between the words. Your job isn't to tell the audience how to feel. It's to let them see it and draw the feeling themselves. So instead of writing "Sarah is scared," you might write "Sarah's hand trembles as she reaches for the doorknob." The emotion becomes visual and it's not just something stated. If you find yourself naming feelings in your action lines like angry, sad, excited, then try replacing those words with a physical or a behavioral cue. And that is how you show emotion through action and subtext and not exposition. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.